Yeah, boy. Yeah. This is what I'm in. Yeah, boy. Oh my days. This thing is a mean machine. This car right here.
I see your BBC, I see your
here's basic. This is the basic.
I see your BBC, I see
C-class. I'm pretty sure this is a C-class anyway.
I see your BBC, I see your bad boy car.
Oh, it's an E-class.
I see your BBC, I see your
similar.
bad boy car.
God damn.
I see your BBC,
cool.
I see
Basic.
your bad boy car. It's not a family car, I see a mod.
Inside, I think you just get a bit more better inside than that, but still. This is
I see a BBC, I see
super
a bad boy car.
C-class. Say 43. Nice. This car ain't no basic. It ain't no basic Mercedes. This is like, well, this model itself. This is like second. See C43, and then there's the C8 something, the C63, little brother. But still, it ain't no basic C-class. Like this car performs.
I see a BBC, I see
as
a
you
bad
can
boy
see,
car.
whoever's sitting behind me
BBC,
can't sit there.
I see a bad
And
boy
it's
car.
sporty, so I would
I see
personally
a
get this car.
BBC, I see a bad boy
Boot
car.
space.
I see a BBC, I see a
Get
bad boy
about 3
car.
dead bodies in there.
Not
that I'm trying to.
I see a bad boy car. It's not a family car, I see a bad boy car.
And yeah, other than
I
that,
see a
the car
BBC.
drives really good. It drives really nice.
I see a BBC,
Really
I
nice.
see a bad
Get
boy
to the
car.
inside of the vehicle. Very nice and classy. You move the chairs from here, fold them backwards, whatnot. Heated seats. I would say fuel so far. I wouldn't say it's eco at all. I put about 40 quid in yesterday. That gave me half tank. And yeah, let's see how much we got left. 40, yeah, I think 40 quid gave me 100 miles. No, I lied. It gave me 200 miles. And I didn't go nowhere. More time I was sitting in traffic. And it goes down in the traffic. It's crazy. This is the sunroof that you need still. Yeah, this ain't a sun. Any other sunroof ain't a sunroof. This is a panoramic where it just looks bad. Yeah, nah. But yeah, let's mark it out for you guys anyway.
I see a BBC, I see a bad boy car.
Banging sport.
BBC, I see a bad boy
Even
car.
gonna make the exhaust a bit louder so we can hear it. Let's go, shall we?
It's not a family car, I see a mod.
Woo-wee. Rocking on.
I see a BBC, I see a bad boy car. I see a BBC, I see a bad boy car. I see a BBC, I see a bad boy car. I see a BBC, I see a bad boy car. I see a BBC, I see a bad boy car. I see a BBC, I see a bad boy car.